Whispering soft, alluring signs, wrapping you around my finger. Gently touch, full of spell, blinding you into another. Sneaking around, hunt and prey to find me another lover. Behind closed doors, an empty space, we're in a secret love encounter. I'm a lonely heart, feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind. I'm a lonely heart feline.
I take what's mine, then I leave behind.
Save your breath, don't waste your words. I'm gone before the night is over. Don't lose your faith, keep it straight. I'm nothing like any other. I'm a lonely heart feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind. I'm a lonely heart feline.
I take what's mine, then I leave behind.
What your heart's been told, when I'm not sure that I can tell much more. I'm a lonely heart feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind. I'm a lonely heart feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind. I'm a lonely heart feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind. I'm a lonely heart feline.
I take what's mine, then I leave behind.